Which bite off, sorry?
There's this candy shop in Blairmore. It's like a specialty candy shop. I think they go to the States to buy things. That's kind of my guess.
Yeah, probably.
So.
That's fun. It's probably not even good.
What kind of warm up is that over there?
They're like elevated snow angels.
Oh, okay.
It's great for shoulder rotation.
What?
Your warm up, David.
It's a good warm up. I'm so warm right now. Holy fuck.
Gotta protect the wrists. Now, while we were camping, we stacked hammocks, 5 hammocks high, which is a feat on its own. But then trying to climb in and out of them,
Yeah, check it out.
it's like
5 hammock stack. Fucking cool.
Jeez, man.
so. Like, if
Did you
try
leave
to-
the top hammock?
No, we actually still got it down.
You took it all down?
Yeah, they took it all down. Out of nowhere. Erin took it down. She just like went up there and just pop, pop. But yeah, it's like very thankful that I'm able to lift my body weight decently, easily. Because otherwise, there's not a fucking chance you're gonna get up and down those hammocks
I
safely.
wanted to try. I'm like, fuck.
You got up to what, the second or the third one?
I didn't even try the
Just the second one?
No, I've been to bottom for life. It's all good.
I was thinking about trying to get the third one, and I'm like, fuck, there's some people that are just gonna laugh at me if I fail. I don't want to do that shit.
100%.
So I didn't try. Just out of self-consciousness.
Give it. Holy fuck. This sucks after like 5 days of no gym. Holy shit. It's hard. Point to put up the 4th hammock, we had one of the guys that's like 6 feet tall stand on my shoulders. Got a nice little road rash scrape on the top of that shoulder somewhere.
Saw it, yeah.
It's fun times. I was Devo Silverback Gorilla.
Devo dumbass gorilla.
Silverback Gorilla. I drink only vodka, therefore I can pee out only vodka. Silverback Gorilla, you ever drink Silverback Gorilla piss? Urine tastes like vodka because all he drink is vodka.
Kevin, your accent's the fucking worst.
It's okay.
It's so bad.
Everybody else likes it. I don't give a fuck.
So fucking bad.
It's so bad it's good.
Jeff's was surprisingly amazing.
Which one? You know what the best part about camping is though? It's like the mental reset that I get afterwards.
Yep.
I found this last year. Because like I'm not a fan of camping and I haven't been since I was a kid. I went too much, didn't really like it lots. But last year, around this time, I was procrastinating terribly with a lot of aspects of work. I was having a hard time organizing on my clients, organizing like the way that I put together my plans, my programs and stuff. And I'd found myself trying to escape a lot. Like I wanted to smoke a lot of weed during the day, just like escape, which isn't a good sign. And then went camping for 4 days, came back, and on the Monday, everything just clicked. Like it was like, oh, I can do this with this. oh, and I should do this like this, and this with this and this works out perfectly, and everything was just improved. And the type of like mental reset that I got from that was just profound. So even though I don't enjoy like roughing it camping, because I don't use a trailer and all that shit, it's just, I enjoy the after effects so much more. Like it is so fucking beneficial to me. And like honestly, I think that's a big thing that a lot of people are missing out on. That's why I wanted Mikey to come so bad. It's just like he's never really gone. And to be able to unplug from society for a little while and just live fully in the moment for a few days.
Yep.
You know, ignore responsibility, ignore work, ignore all of those extra things, and just allow your body to fully reset. I'm excited for the next couple weeks to see how things kind of go now that I'm back. See how things kind of flow. As long as I'm sleeping well, then I'll be able to be super productive and get a lot of good shit done.
Plasma next.
Yeah, I forgot to put these in. Meant to.
Ugh.
Look at those guns. Guns like those, I'd think that we were in America.
Because I'm a monster.
The classic white monster can in the gym.
You know, I shaved my legs too. I think I really like it.
I think last time we filmed, you were talking about that.
Yeah, I did it last week. I started with trimming my armpit hair up a little bit. Then I was looking at my bushy ass chest and I was like, I need to trim this up a little bit. And then next thing you know, I'm just like, I want to trim my leg hair, and I'm like looking at it. And then I was like, fuck it. And I just took my electric razor and just all the way up. And I was like, yeah, I like that. And then I picked it and it was smooth as fuck. All the girls that were camping, I was like, here, feel my legs. And they're like, oh my God, what do you use? And I'm like, nothing. And they were like, oh my God, your skin is so soft, it's so nice. It's always the men that get the nice skin, the nice eyelashes, you know, all that shit. Man, it's great being a guy. It sucks being a woman. I feel so bad for women. The worst part about being a woman, you have to put up with men. That's the worst one. I feel like that is.
That's how I feel as a guy. I also have to put up with them.
Right? That's why I don't get along with most guys, actually. Most of my friends are females. The vast majority of my closer acquaintances are females, because it's so much easier to hold a conversation with a woman than it is a guy. With most men, there's this whole alpha male complex.
Awkward small talk.
It's awkward small talk, you don't know, there's so many different things that guys can be into and shit, and I'm not into most of the manly things. I don't know fuck all or give a fuck about cars. I don't do outdoorsy shit. I don't hunt. I don't build anything. I don't do any of that shit. And, none of it, I'm not interested in any of it.
That's how I treat you, but you're too confident.
I'm not confident.
Gotta tone your ass.
You know what?
Gotta tone your ass down.
Same on this side. Almost different lighting though.